The property is priced at $284,900. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's 1,144 square feet. It was built in 1967, however, it has many upgrades. Some of the upgrades include fresh paint inside and out. Almost all of the windows have been replaced. The fascia boards have been replaced, and gutters have been installed. The roof was replaced in 2013. The kitchen features numerous upgrades, including updated countertops, tile backsplash, a built-in microwave, Samsung stainless gas stove, and a stainless dishwasher. The home sits on roughly 1/4 of an acre. Some of the outside features include a fully fenced backyard with a 10-foot wide double gate. There's enough room for RV parking, a utility trailer, etc. The property includes a 12 by 16 foot storage shed. There's also a large deck that's roughly 12 foot by 20 foot. Enjoy panoramic views, including Granite Mountain. The home is centrally located in Prescott. It's conveniently located near grocery, medical, and outdoor recreation. To get a better feel for the layout of the home, let's take a look at the floor plan, starting with the main entrance, the living room, the kitchen and dining area, access to the backyard, oversized laundry room, bathroom just off of the master bedroom, guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2, and the guest bathroom.